Hey there, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads. Thanks for joining me. Today I have an unboxing of the Kindred Greetings August 2026 Paper Pumpkin Kit. And silly me, I just opened my box and did my video, or so I thought, but I forgot to hit record apparently. So first up, this month's spot is gray granite. And this is the last month that the spot will look like this. Starting next month, we will have a larger spot. Here are the instructions for putting them together. And again, you can always put them together any way you want. You do not have to follow these directions. I very rarely do, but these are lovely cards. And our coordinating colors this month are Basic Beige, Calypso Coral, Gray Granite, Lost Lagoon, Petal Pink, and Pool Party. And our stamps, these are fantastic sentiments. I'm always here for you, friend. I'm so sorry. Sending my whole heart at a time when words fall short. A gorgeous leaf spray, some speckles, and a nice little heart. And then here's a photo of everything that's included in your kit. It's always good to check to make sure you have everything. It's very rare that something's missing, but it can happen. Our adhesives, we have our tear and tape and our mini dimensionals. Baker's twine, that looks like it's gray and white. And I always use the bag that the adhesive came in to store some of my pieces. So we have some little circles with faux stitching on the edges there. Just love these. And these are a heavier weight cardstock. And then we have these. And 3 gray leaf sprays. Hello. And some small labels. We also have these sprigs here that look like eucalyptus to me. And let's talk about this card base. It is like a textured linen look, and you can feel it and definitely see it. And it's on both sides, so this will be great to chop up to use for layers. And we have 9 of those bases. And so here is layout 1. Here's number 2. There are a bunch of these rectangles. And then that eucalyptus spray with that hello is just gorgeous. And then I believe this gets stamped and goes down here like that. And then card number 3 has this die cut base. And then that piece and that. So here are the extra pieces of those rectangles for that first card. The die cut pieces, and there's 3 of these. I love this ombre effect, but you can also turn it over and use it as just white, or you can ink it up and change the color of it. And you could also use this as a stencil. That would be great. And again, here are those rectangle pieces. And our envelopes. So we have 9 coordinating envelopes. Love this watercolor look. And it could also look like clouds. I can hardly wait to start creating with this set. So thanks for watching. Bye.